I ran into this problem recently when I was importing my model from Blender into Unity. I initially ignored it because I thought that it wasn't affecting my animations at all. When I did my animation in Blender, everything looks fine, but later on I realized that it is not. So I'll explain how this error came to be in the first place. So this is my Blender model. If I go into the weight paint mode by first clicking on the armature and then shift click the object, go into weight paint, I can then click on the vertex selection. Here you can see that I've selected the vertices that have the missing weights. So what I did to replicate the error was to come into the vertex groups here and then remove them from the bones. So if I click on remove, it will remove the vertices from all the active vertex groups, and they will also not have any weights. This is how we can replicate the error, but to fix this is a little bit more complicated because your model may have thousands of vertices, and it's not easy to identify which vertices are the ones that needs to be repaired. I'll show one way how you can identify the vertices. First, go into Edit, Preferences, go into Interface, and then ensure Developer Extras are checked. Next, go into Edit mode, and then go to the Viewport Overlays, and here you can see Developer Indices. Also ensure that this is checked. As soon as you check it, you can see that the vertices now have a number associated with it. I can select multiple vertices and you can see the numbers around it. But you will have a lot of vertices on your model, and it is not easy to find which vertices are the ones that are problematic. So the next step, what you can do is open up a new window, go to the text editor, create a new script, and then use this following script. Here you can see that I am trying to select vertices 0, 2, 4, 6. These are the same vertices that are reported by Unity from the warning message here, 0, 2, 4, 6. And so we go to Blender, we put in the vertices, and then we run this script. What this script does is basically to select all the vertices in your mesh. This will make it easier to see where the vertices are. So you can click on Run Script at the top, and you can see the 4 vertices are selected. Now to fix this issue, simply go back to the weight paint mode. Go into object mode, select the armature, select the model, go to weight paint, select your vertices, and just assign them to the nearest bone and give them some weight. And there you have it. Now if I export this and re-import it back into Unity, you can see that my warning messages are gone now. Okay, that's all. Have a nice day.